Today we have the second person. We have discussed second person, tui, tora, tumi, tomra, apni, apnara. 6 words, 3 singular number and 3 plural number. Now, tui, tora, tumi, tomra, apni, apnara. These 6 words mean you in English. We must try to have a look at related words. Related words means tui become tor and toke. Tor means in possessive sense. This tui, it becomes tor and toke. Tor means your, that is possessive. And toke, to you, object form. So tui, tor, toke. Got it? Tui, tor, toke. তোর নাম কি? What is your name? তোকে একটা কথা বলবো. I'll tell something to you. Or I'll tell you something. তোকে একটা কথা বলবো. So তুই, তোর, তোকে. Then তোরা, তোদের, তোদেরকে. তোদেরকে, to you. তোদের, your, in plural. তুই, তোর, তোকে, তোরা, তোদের, তোদেরকে. Okay, got it? Now, তুমি, তুমি, তোমার, your, তোমার নাম কি? তোমার হলো শুরু। তোমার নাম কি? What is your name? তোমার বাড়ি কোথায়? Where do you live? So, তুমি, your means তোমার possessive and তোমাকে to you object form. That way, তোমরা, তোমাদের, তোমাদেরকে, your, to you in the plural sense. Then apni, apnar, apnake. Apnar means your pain. Apnake, to you. Then apnara. Apni, apnara plural. Apnader, apnaderke. So this is the formation. Once again. Tui, tora. Tui, tor. Tui, toke. Tora, toder, toderke. তুমি, তোমার, your, তোমাকে, to you. তোমরা, তোমাদের, তোমাদেরকে. আপনি, আপনার, your, possessive and আপনাকে, to you. আপনারা, plural. আপনাদের, your, আপনাদেরকে. Right? Now, তোর নাম কি? What is your name? তোর নাম, possessive. তোমার নাম কি? What is your name? আপনার নাম কি? What is your name? Same thing. And finally, তোকে কিছু বলবো. I'll tell you something. তোকে কিছু বলবো. তোমাকে কিছু বলবো. I'll tell you something. আপনাকে কিছু বলবো. I'll tell you something. Now come this side. That means plural. তোরা, তোমরা, আপনারা কে? তোরা কে? Who are you? A group of people are there. Tomra ke, who are you? And apnara ke. Very informal, a little bit informal, little bit formal, and apnara is totally formal. Now, toder ki chai? What do you want? Toder ki chai? Toder ki ache? Toder badi kothay? Tomader ki chai? Tomader badi kothay? Apnader ki chai? Apnader badi kothay? And finally, তোদেরকে means to you. তোদেরকে কিছু বলবো. I'll tell you something. তোমাদেরকে কিছু বলবো. I'll tell you something. আপনাদেরকে কিছু বলবো. I'll tell you something. So this is what is all about the second person. I think this much today. I don't want to complicate anymore. Next time we'll see the third person. Okay then, have a nice time. Thank you very much.